Everyone. This is my second sprint for CSE module. So I focus on the main goal to improve from my SQL demo to into a functional, meaningful stack environment. So this is my code editor. I have new features. I have a lot of new code, and so I will explain and show us my progress. I will start with deploy the server. Just we need to enter npm start. This is a main principal command. Just okay, it's working right now. This launch a local Node.js and connect the backend with the frontend. And this is our application living right now. So we can go our main or principal browser just to write localhost, and this is my application currently. So I have a new features here. Sorry, and my nick. I improved the UI design. I tried to improve the user experience, and similarly, I implement reusable modules like header and footer. In this case, this module like escalas, calculadoras, interacciones, and others can be improved. With the pass of the time, this module can be more expensive. Well, can be bigger. So to understand the engineer behind this interface, I will I will share my code. I have a lot of new files like server. This server function like my entry point. I have a lot of function, but I use three main function like read JSON. This function take a responsibility to read to read that JSON information in a specific format here. So this is read, and I obviously use try catch because I need to manage the error. The next other function is server static files. This is function serve the information through the front end and manage the DUN. Manage the DUN has interaction with the DUN. And as well, I use handling error for this application. And the next one is a specific handling error for the request. My application use CRUD operation, so I need to be prepared for crashes, be prepared for errors. But currently, my application use get, get, get operation, and this is my the main principle. The main principle. This is the principle for improving in my server. And this is moving on to the front-end logic. I have my script.js. This is script.js integrated with Fuse.js because I need to help users when typing the drag applications. Sometimes because a different because one drug has a different names. So this is so useful because auto load. For example, just I need to write two letters and immediately appears. For example, this one, paracetamol. This is currently my application exposes the data or someone use the application. I divide for section like indicaciones, mecanismos, posologías, and more. I use recursion here for more to make the recursion. CC11 diagnoses here has and diagnoses my JSON GAs. Even through the UIs is focus. It's currently focus and medication. The system is very highly complex structure in the background. I use monster mass and monster menus to help the optimize the application. And I have this one like UGAs. Currently like UGAs help me to reusable modules. because this application in the future, I think in this can be bigger. So in summary, this sprint successfully adds a full stack experience with Fusi, search and recursive logic, leaving my project for future clinical features.